Welcome back everyone to a new video of 1 to Step. In this video, let's take a look at how to activate your HDFC Bank credit card online. If you have also got your credit card of HDFC Bank, then in this video, let me show you how you can activate it. Now, there are a few ways that you can activate your credit card. I'm going to just walk you through a couple of ways that you can activate it. First of all, search for HDFC credit card activation and enter the first website, which is from HDFC Bank, and it's going to show you the guidelines of the couple of ways that you can activate your card. If you scroll down here, you can see there are a number of methods that you can activate your card through your credit card users, or through using WhatsApp banking, through using EVA, and a couple of other methods. If you scroll down even further, you can also give a missed call to this number using your registered mobile number and then activate your card through this process as well. Or you can also click on this link and you just need to add in your registered mobile number that is linked with your card, and you can click on get OTP, and a one-time password will be sent to your mobile number that is registered, and you can type in the code to activate your card. As you can see, there are a number of ways that you can activate your credit card of HDFC. You can go through these links and find the easiest one for you to activate your card. And lastly, after you activate your card, you can also set your credit card PIN. The methods are also given below. The easiest way would be through the net banking or your mobile app of HDFC. So that was the video. I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next one.